Assalamu alaikum, this is your brother Majed Mahmoud recording for the daily reminder. Brothers and sisters, one day one of my great shuyukh, Sheikh Wabarakatuh, may Allah protect him, and his friend Sheikh Adil, they were spending some time reading Quran over a brother who was possessed with jinn. After some time, by the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that brother was cured. When Sheikh Wabarakatuh and Sheikh Adil and the brother who was alhamdulillah got cured, they were walking, Sheikh Walid said, all of a sudden I heard a lash as if someone was struck by a whip. And the brother who was earlier possessed, he actually flew a few steps ahead. Sheikh Walid rushed immediately to the brother, uncovered his back, and he actually saw a mark on his back. Sheikh Walid said, I was with the brother for at least the past 24 hours. He realized the jinn must have been very angry, and that brother perhaps is now repossessed, and now the Sheikh wants to recite Quran on that brother once again. As he's reciting Quran, the jinn spoke, and Sheikh Walid asked the jinn, was it you who struck that brother? And the jinn replied in a very strange and weird voice and said, yes, it was me. Sheikh Walid asked, why did you do that to him? Why did you do that to him? Then the jinn replied and said, because I hate him and I was very, very angry. Sheikh Walid asked, why didn't you harm me or Sheikh Adil? Why only him? Now look at the response of the jinn. I'm telling you the story secondhand. It's actually on YouTube on the Deen Show, and you can also watch it yourself. The jinn replies and says, because you and your friend said a dua during the day which protected you, and I was unable to come near you or harm you. Allahu Akbar. Brothers and sisters, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam taught us many kinds of dua in which we can gain Allah's protection. So why not learn one of them inshallah in this video, and we ask Allah to allow us to apply it and memorize it and say it the way the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam taught me and you to do so. Are you ready? Bismillah. This hadith can be found in Sahih Ibn Majed. It's authentic hadith. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, there's no one who says during the day and during the evening the following dua. Pay attention. Bismillah, in the name of Allah, الذي لا يضر مع اسمه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء, the one with whose name nothing can harm, whether on earth or in the heavens. وهو السميع العليم, and he is the all-hearing, the all-knowledgeable. Whoever says that 3 times during the day, 3 times during the evening, فَيَضُرُّهُ شَيْءٍ, nothing can harm the person who says this. Once again, let's say it. بسم الله الذي لا يضر مع اسمه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء وهو السميع العليم. Brothers and sisters, say this 3 times in the morning, 3 times in the evening, and inshallah, Allah will protect you from all evil. Say it with certainty. Don't test Allah. Say it with confidence, and Allah bi'idhnillah will fulfill His promise. May Allah bless you. May Allah protect you from all evil. Feel free to like the video. Click here to subscribe to my personal YouTube channel. But most importantly is for you to click share and spread this beautiful hadith. And may Allah make you as means of protection for the whole ummah. Barakallahu feekum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.